Dear children, let's see the rhyme scheme of the given stanza here. Okay, that is from Rain on the Roof. So let's see the first stanza. So when you think of rhyme scheme, first you think of the rhyming words also. Rhyming words means the words that ends with the same sound. So first you have to think for finding out the rhyme scheme, you have to think of the last word in each lines. So let's see one by one. First one, when the humid shadows hover. This hover is the that is the word. Hover is the word at the end of that sentence. That hover, since it is the first one, we can give the rhyme scheme as that the letters A. Rhyme scheme means you have to represent the words in alphabets A, B, C, D, like that. So second one, over all the starry spheres. Here the second in the second line, last word is spheres. Just think whether it is rhyming with hover. No, it is not rhyming with hover. So we can give another letter since it is different from first one. So we had to write B there. Next one, and the melancholy darkness. Here darkness is the last word in the in that line. So is that darkness rhymes with hover or spheres? No. So we can give another next alphabet, that is C. So next line, gently weeps in rainy tears. Here the last word in that sentence is tears. Tell me, is there any relation with any other words in the above lines? That is that rhymes with any other words? Yeah, it is rhyming with spears. Tears, spears. And both ends with the same sound. Yes, isn't it? So, what is the letter given to spears? That is B. So, since it is rhyming with tears, we can give B here. Spears and tears rhyming each other. Next one. What a bliss to press the pillow. Pillow is the next word. So what is there any relation? Is that pillow rhyming with any other words in the given above set lines? First one is hover. No, it is not rhyming with hover. Spears. Pillow is not rhyming with spears. Darkness, no. Tears, no. So we can give another letter. We already given up to C. So next one is D. What is that? D. Next one, of a cottage chamber bed. Here bed. Bed is the last word. So tell me, what is that a bed rhymes with any other words? Above said words? Hover, spears, darkness, tears, below. No, bed is not rhyming with any other words. So we can give another letter. After D, which one? E. E is the next one. Then, and lie listening to the patter. Patter is the last word in that line. So tell me whether patter is rhyming with any other word. Hover, spears, darkness, tears, pillow, bed, patter. No, it is not rhyming with any other word. So we can give the next letter after E, that is F. Next one. Of the soft rain overhead. Is that overhead rhymes with any other word? Yeah, it is rhyming with bed. Bed ends with ed. Overhead also ends with ed. So it is, what is the letter given to bed? That is E. So our rhyme scheme is, first you write A, then B, then C, then next one is B, then next one is D, then E, then F, then E. So the rhyme scheme of the first stanza is A, B, this one, A, B, C, B, D, E, F, E. This is the rhyme scheme of first stanza. This is the way to find out the rhyme scheme in a poem. So next stanza you can give another letter. Okay, that way you continue like that. So study all these things. Thank you.